Have you ever heard the word qi and what does it mean to you? What? Do you mean cheese? No, qi. Oh, I have heard of it, but never really knew what it meant. Ancient Chinese medicine has always sounded foreign to modern audience. Would you agree? Why is that? It depends on whom you are asking. If you ask me, I think one of the major reasons is the language that has been used since ancient time. For example, the word qi pronounced as qi, once you mention it, some people almost automatically shut down their brain's perception and cognitive function. Human beings have a tendency to resist anything that deemed as foreign and new. This misperception may have caused a great deal of opportunities to modern society because ancient Chinese medicine offers a complementary and an upgrade to modern medical practice and healthcare. How? I'll explain that in the future videos. In order to break this barrier and make it easier for people today to learn ancient Chinese medicine for their own health benefits, we have to translate the ancient language into a modern terminology. For example, the modern equivalent of qi is simply the power of energy. Exactly like qi, energy has the capacity to do the work, yet it is invisible. For example, we cannot see electric currents. Exactly like qi, the energy is very tangible. We can feel it and we can experience it. For example, the energy makes our heart beat, our lung breathing, our bowel moving, our brain thinking, and our body feeling. We can actually measure the electronic activities of our body like EKGs, EEGs, and ENGs, etc. Exactly like qi, the energy starts our life when it appears, ends our life when it disappears. We could declare death by measuring electronic activities in the heart and the brain, and declare life when we find a heartbeat of a fetus. So, exactly like qi, the energy manifests itself in every form of life, all activities and bodily functions, inside the human body and in the nature of the universe. If you're a doctor, you know what your patients are complaining about is mostly a problem with their energy. I can give you a number of examples. I'm too tired, I'm too cold, I'm too hot, I'm sweaty at night. I have a pain in my lower back and the doctor cannot find any cause of it. I'm constipated and sometimes I have diarrhea, particularly when I'm stressed. I have trouble breathing and I cough or I wheeze. My foot moves up instead of moving down and gives me heartburn. My heart beats irregularly and my heart beats too fast or too slow. I can go on and on. They can make your head hurt and burn you out. If you are patient, you will know how frustrating and sometimes embarrassing it is to have complained about something that you cannot show or demonstrate. And you're so afraid that your doctor thinks it is all in your mind. Unfortunately, they do think that a lot of times when they could not find anything wrong with you using the limited diagnostic tool in their clinical practice. Why would I say limited? We shall explain that in our future videos. In Chinese language, on the other hand, qi is used everywhere to describe the power of energy, tangible and intangible. Chinese call the power of the electricity 电气, the power of steam 真气, the power of weather as a 天气, the power of emotion as 脾气, the power of courage as 勇气. In Chinese medicine, we describe the power of the body's immune system as 胃气, the power of nutrients as 营气, the power of internal organs as 脏腑之气, the power of blood as 血气, the power of moving energy around inside and along the energy channels as 经络之气. By the way, if you want to know how your qi is doing, I'll provide you with a link in the description so you can do a self-assessment. You can also find assessment in my book, Facing East, Ancient Health and Beauty Secrets for the Modern Age. So we can safely conclude that qi is the energy and the energy is the qi. Both ancient Chinese medicine and modern medicine recognize it objectively and subjectively. Then what is the difference between these two medicines? How come there's such a resistance to accept the theories and the therapeutic methodologies of ancient Chinese medicine in modern medical communities? How can a layperson with an open mind or someone who is desperately in need of comprehending the concept of ancient Chinese medicine, such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, and healthy lifestyle? We're going to discuss each one of them in our following videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please give us a thumb up, subscribe, and make sure you push the little button in the shape of the bell so you will not miss our next video.